Hello, welcome to Moonflower Tarot. Before I begin, I just want to remind you that I now have an Etsy page where you can get personal email readings from me, and the link to that Etsy page is in the description box below. So the purpose of this video or tarot reading is to give a general astrological / horoscope prediction for the sign of Aries. And you can be Aries in either your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, or anywhere in your astrological chart that resonates with you as an Aries. And before I give you your tarot reading, I just want to state a really quick disclaimer, Aries, that these videos and these tarot readings are not going to resonate with everyone because it is such a general reading. However, my advice to you is to take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so with that, let's get straight into your reading, Aries. So what is coming up for the sign of Aries? Got a lot of information for you here. So we have a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. The answers you need are coming, and surrender to the divine. Okay, so from these cards, I'm definitely seeing maybe some pent-up energy for you, where you kind of feel like you're not your usual self. Your usual self is, charging ahead, usually as an Aries, and that sort of fiery element. But I am seeing maybe like you feeling almost like you're in a situation, like almost like you're stuck in a volcano type situation where you feel like you can't quite express yourself, or something's blocked. Like something, like your usual energy is blocked for some reason, possibly because you are waiting on some answers. Maybe there's like two ways that something can go with the full moon in Gemini, and you're like waiting. I think you're waiting on something. You're waiting for some kind of breakthrough or some kind of information or some announcement or something that impacts you. And I think that's why you're kind of stuck in this energy where you're sort of like waiting, and that's not your usual energy, Aries. But I want to let you know that the answers are coming, and you will be getting maybe even two answers to two different situations that you're wondering about. And here I'm getting that you should surrender to the divine. That's the energy, the advice that's coming in from the universe is, I know as an Aries, you usually like to charge ahead, and really you're very action oriented, very forward moving. Because Aries is the god of war, and you are ruled by Mars, which is a very forward-moving energy. But I am seeing here that right now, at this time of sort of being still, just be comfortable in that stillness. Surrender to the divine. Literally just know that the answers are coming, things are going to work out, and maybe sometimes it is good to sort of go with the flow. Moving forward, charging ahead is beautiful sometimes, but then there are other times where maybe it's fine to just let things flow, to accept things as they are, and to just accept the situation, and to just take things in stride, literally surrender to the divine. That's the energy that I'm getting here. So let's see what else we have for my beautiful, amazing Aries. So here we have all paths lead home. Okay, so it says here, inner authority, intuition, turn your gaze within. So yeah, I'm definitely seeing here that you might be once again in a situation where you feel like you can't really surge ahead, you can't really move forward, take action with that Mars fiery energy that you're usually in Aries. But I am seeing here, just have faith that the answers are coming. Like I said before, once again, surrender, go with the flow, because just know that the universe is leading you home. There is a certain theme here of home, of a path that is led by your intuition. Well, allow that intuition to sort of seep in to your self when it comes to sort of like your spiritual heart and energy space. Just know that things are going to be fine. That's honestly the energy that's being channeled towards me right now. for you, Aries. So let's see what else we've got. So we have the Queen of Hearts, we have intuition, and then we have message. So I am seeing here for you, Aries, for those of you who are single, there is new love coming in. For those of you who are already partnered in a relationship, a committed partnership, there's something to do with the theme of love that is really going to play a huge part in your life in a positive way. But I am seeing here there is a need to hone into your intuition, hone into what your soul, what your subconscious is really trying to tell you. You may want to start a dream journal. Chamomile tea can help sometimes initiate more dreams, give you more lucid or active dreams. Chamomile tea can do that. Obviously if you're not allergic and all that. But yeah, you might want to start a dream journal. Really pay attention to omens around you, any sort of spiritual energies that you receive from the universe. Really allow yourself to accept that into your energy sphere. I am seeing a message coming in for you, either an omen or like an actual message. For a lot of you guys, I am getting this is going to be an actual message, either in regards to love or whatever that's on your mind right now. Like I mentioned earlier with the Gemini card, there may be like two things in your life that you're really wondering and contemplating about right now, but I am seeing that a message will be coming, either email, phone call, social media. A lot of you guys, it's going to be either email or phone call or text message even, but there's something coming and it's going to be life-changing. For a lot of you guys, Aries, I am also seeing that a maternal figure or some kind of female figure in your life that either plays the role of a mentor or someone very, very important to you will be coming in to give you some advice. For a lot of you guys, this may apply. And let's see what else we have for Aries. So we have air. So there's some concept of air that's important right now in your life. Possibly maybe you're feeling unsettled right now. Like you're feeling like your feet are never quite on the ground, especially as of late, as of recently. However, I am seeing that that's all happening for a reason. Just follow your intuition because it is leading you to a path. Like all paths lead home. You're on the right track, even though things feel a little bit all over the place and up in the air right now. Also, I am seeing here maybe for some of you who are single or who are looking for answers or something when it comes to matters of the heart, I am seeing an air sign might be significant. So air being Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. Either this could be in their sun, moon, rising, Venus, anywhere that's significant. There's an air sign here that is going to play a significant role in your life. So let's see what else we have. So we have the Eight of Swords, we have the Chariot, and then we have the Ace of Swords. Okay, so more air energy. So for those of you guys who really feel trapped right now in the Eight of Swords, you're feeling maybe anxious. Like I said, you're not really feeling like yourself, Aries. It's like you're not free to charge, surge, move forward in that Mars warrior like state that you're usually in. For some reason, you're feeling trapped, like sort of like you've either reached a crossroads or maybe like a dead end of some kind. But I am seeing here that a light is appearing at the end of the tunnel. Your spirit guides or some kind of spiritual energy, maybe even this could be like a past loved one that might have already crossed over to the other side or something like that. Some kind of spiritual energy is coming forward to help you in two areas of your life. So two areas of your life that you've been thinking about, that you're concerned about. There is this spiritual sort of help coming. Just know that it's coming and know that you are on the right track, and just be confident. Allow yourself to really, once again, be intuitive to your subconscious truths, because there is some truth here, a theme of truth being really important, either being like your spirit guides, I think, or some kind of spiritual energy. I think some kind of energy out there is telling you to be comfortable and have strength in wielding your inner voice, your inner truth, and really speaking your mind, because that's going to really aid you here. So let's see what other messages we might have for my beautiful, amazing, powerful, fiery Aries. So here we have the moon, we have the birds, and then we have the rider. There's something that you're not able to see right now with the moon, some kind of obscurity. There's something, though, coming towards you for sure that's really going to be life-changing. This is positive energy, and this has something to do with your spirit guides or your ancestors, or maybe, like I said, past loved ones that have already passed and crossed over, or some kind of omens. Like you may be seeing omens around you, maybe animals around you are acting up differently. Maybe you're seeing birds, feathers, coins. But I am seeing you are very spiritually charged right now. Just know that you are on the right path, and you will be entering a very prosperous and abundant sort of energy. I know that you can't really see that right now. I think things feel very precarious. Maybe you feel, like I said, trapped, or you feel like you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel, but just know that it's coming, and the universe has your back, and there are spiritual energies around you. This energy is heightened, and you are charged in your spiritual energy. Just have faith, allow yourself to go with the flow. Just know that, like that card said earlier, all paths lead to home. Just know that you are on the right track. Just know that good things are coming, and that those two things that you're worrying about in your life, or you will be getting two important answers coming your way that's going to clear up a lot of confusion in your life here. And for those of you who are into crystals, you may want to look into maybe keeping some tigerite around you. Tigerite is the stone of the warrior. In ancient times, Roman soldiers used to carry tigerite with them because it was said to promote strength, promote fearlessness, and protection. So that's just something to keep in mind. So that's all I have for you guys, Aries. But just know, once again, that you are protected, that you are headed on the right path, and that you should go with the flow, take things in stride, because things are going to be fine. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, Aries. Share if this resonated with you. And I just want to remind you again that I now have an Etsy page where you can get personal email readings from me. And the link to that Etsy page is in the description box below. So I hope that was helpful and insightful and at least entertaining, Aries. So I'll see you later. Love and light.